Honestly, this is insane. Look at the designs of these websites I just built using Replit. Be it a fully functioning resume in the style of a Windows XP theme, or this hackathon website I've just made, or this landing page I've just created. These are all websites which I built without coding or any design knowledge. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and we have truly entered the era of the idea man. As long as you have an idea, you can build everything with it. And this is possible by Replit Design, a new update to Replit which enables you to go from an idea to a prototype in less than 2 minutes. It lets you create beautiful and stunning mockups for websites instantly without any coding or design knowledge. Replit Design is creating the best designs in the industry and everyone is talking about it on social. And once you build the design of the website, you can very easily convert it into a fully functioning website by just chatting to the agent. So let me show you Replit Design and all the cool things you can build with it. Hit the like button and subscribe and let's check it out. So this right here is replit.com. You can sign up for it with the link in the description of this video, but we have to go on to design. And this is where we can describe the idea of the app that we want to build. And it will create a mockup for us. Let's say we want to build a portfolio website for a freelancer. Let's say an illustrator with a gallery of artwork, an about me section, a contact form, and social media links. Use Brutalism UI, and we'll just click on start designing. Now, Replit is going to figure out everything for us, from what font to use, what colors to be using, what visual hierarchy we should be using, the layout. Everything is decided by Replit Design right over here. And it's amazing how it is able to throw a ready-made prototype and a mock-up in less than 2 minutes. Just have a look at how it does it. And you can see it is creating these images which will be used in the website right over here. How cool is that? It had an error at the start, so I just said it's throwing an error and it fixed it for me. And this is what it looks like right over here. You can see it worked on everything from the typography to the layout to this color to the text to use, to the images to generate. And this is actually interactive and responsive. So it would load up amazing on a website, on a laptop, as well as on a mobile phone. So as you can see, this is how cool it looks. And we can keep building on it. Let's say I want to build a simple e-commerce website. So I'll basically say, build an e-commerce product page for handcrafted soaps, including product photos, descriptions, pricing, customer reviews, and an add to cart button. Use, let's say, minimalist UI. And let's click on start designing. Now, it's not just great for portfolios, but also for business websites. So if you have an idea for a product you want to launch, for a landing page you want to build, it will build it for you. And this is an example of how it would look. And as you can see, it comes up with images for using in the e-commerce page. All right, our product page design is ready. As you can see, it chose different fonts this time. It has a different visual language this time. It has customer reviews. It has, the scent you want to go with, and it is changing the content dynamically based on what you choose. You can also add more stuff over here. Add a countdown timer and also put a Black Friday sale. Let's say you want to add something to it and make some changes, you can always do that over here. And that to me is the best part about Replit Design. Not only does it give you a ready-made website which looks so good, you can always keep making changes to it the way you want. And as you can see, you can go on to different pictures. And in less than a minute, I got this banner at the top which says Black Friday, get 30% off all bundles. And it is showing me this timer as well. So you can customize it to the way you want, and it will make the adjustments for you in minutes. And now if you like this website, you can always just go over here, click on publishing, and just publish this app, either for free on the replit.app domain, or you can also get your own domain name. So you can actually go on to Replit and purchase a domain name that you want to use. And in less than a minute, this website is published right over here. The link will be in the description for you all to try it out. But let's keep building. Say you want to build a website for an event that you are trying to organize. Well, here's a conference landing page for a tech summit featuring a scheduled timeline, speaker profile with photos, bios, and a registration form. So I'll say a Bengaluru conference landing page, and let's see what it comes up with. And for our conference, it's picking up the venue, the speakers, the profile for them. And once that is ready, it will actually build out the entire website. And as you can see, it is creating this website for us, choosing the font according to the vibe of this website. It is picking the time, the button to secure the spot, all the speakers over here, the schedule of the event, and you can go down and you can secure your pass. One cool thing you can do is replace the image in the background in the hero section with a video generated from VO3. And it is actually going to go to Gemini, generate this video, and then place this video in the background of your website. So it looks a lot more live. And now as you can see, the background is replaced with the actual video created with VO3. And this just looks a lot more interactive. But let's say that you run a business and you want to track all the metrics about the business on a dashboard. We can actually build the design of the dashboard right over here with this prompt. So produce a dashboard style layout for a small business featuring summary cards for key metrics, simple charts, and a login button. After generating the design, convert it into an app and add a login form. So we'll just click on start design. And this right here is a quick mockup of your dashboard. It has the total revenue, active users, sales, revenue overview, and it is actually interactive, as you can see right here. The user activity, the recent transactions, and you can keep adding more stuff to it. But let's try to take it a step further. So let's say that you want to make a website called Time Travel Diary, where you can pick an era and you can look at the diary entries of people from those era, right? So illustrated background that change with the era, an interactive timeline control, and a modal to submit their own time diary entry. You can also describe it very simply and it will pick things up from there. So I'll just click on start design right here. And let's see what it comes up with. Let's actually have a look at this website that we just built. So this is 125 AD. So this is Pax Romana, and you can read their diary entry. Let's say we go to the Middle Ages. So high Middle Ages, and this is what the diary entry looks like. And as you can see, we can keep going on different eras and read how they felt like, and the background is changing accordingly. And you can even add your own diary entry. You can choose an era, you can give it a title, and you can write the diary entry and submit it right over here. And it would be added over here in this timeline. How cool is that? Okay, I am hungry and I have an idea for an app that I want to build in which I want to mash up different cuisines. So this is a recipe mashup machine. The design should feature quirky food illustrations. I should be able to combine different cuisines and I should be able to see what it builds. And I've described how I want the website to look like. Let's just click on start designing. Now there are different types of design choices that you can make. You first saw me use brutalist UI. Then you saw me use minimalist UI. There's another thing called neomorphism. There's another thing called skeuomorphism. Okay, and my website is ready. As you can see, it chose all of these design choices by itself. So I can go on to cuisine 1. I can choose Japanese. I can choose Indian, and I want to mash it up and see what it makes. And it has built this card for me with an image of a combination of Japanese and Indian cuisines, given me the ingredients and the concept for it as well. And I can keep adding more cuisines and building these dishes the way I want. But look at the design of this website. How cool does it look? Now, let's say I want to build a real encyclopedia on the website. So build an interactive encyclopedia. The landing page should look like an ancient scroll with a search bar. Users can browse categories, dragons, spirits, hybrids, and click cards to open full screen profiles, illustrations, and a sighting map. Include a random creature generator button. And I can click on start designing. All right, our encyclopedia is ready, and just look at this amazing design. It was able to pick the theme, the vibe, take the font accordingly. I can click on any of these and look at the strength, magic, stealth, the map, and everything about it. And it made all of these images with AI. How cool is that? It's interactive. It has these quirky effects. And this to me is just amazing. Just look at how cool this looks. I can make any changes to it that I want. I can publish this if I want. I can add a VO3 generated video in the background if I want. I can even turn these pictures into actual videos for every creature with VO3. And it will be working for me, all thanks to Replit Design. Now here's a fun task for all of you who are watching this video. Check out the link in the description of this and try out Replit Design yourself. Log in and just use this simple Prompt: build me an interactive resume website that looks like a Windows home screen and it needs to be interactive. Each heading can be a program on the screen. Clicking each program should open up a window like the Windows XP. I should be able to view the stuff inside and interact with it. And I have attached my LinkedIn profile over here. Now, if I open the profile, it loads up like this. Just look how amazing it looks. Again, built all because of Replit Design. The experience section. I can look at the skill section over here. I can also look at the education over here. And this just looks amazing. As you can see, I can change anything about it as well. But this website just looks so much better and it gives me a time as well, which is actually the real time. So that was the video. Go try out Replit Design with the link in the description of this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Replit Design. And I truly believe this is an inflection point in the world of vibe coding and design. You can now build amazing looking websites, all thanks to Replit Design. Go try it out yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.